to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're going to show you how to make this lasagna pizza.
Oh my God, it smells
Yum. This is very popular in New York, so we thought we'd do our version of it and show you how to make this.
Beautiful.
All right, let's get cooking. Buongiorno. I've got my beautiful wife at the camera today.
Good morning.
We're going to start this Sicilian process before Chef Dom gets here. It takes a little while to get this crust proofed to rise real nice so you can stretch it. Right here, I have 28 ounces or 30 ounces of dough. And we're just going to go ahead and press that out a little bit. It doesn't stretch very much when you first pull it out of the refrigerator. This is our New York style dough. You can get this dough recipe on our channel. And it'll be real quick to make. All right, right here we have a little bit of garlic and oil. I pressed some garlic in here, and I got about 4 or 5 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that right in the pan here. And spread that out nice and evenly. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
All right, nice and evenly. Smell that garlic. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just place this dough right in this pan here. All right, now I'm gonna cover it up with some plastic wrap.
Which I can never do.
See what?
I can never use that stuff.
I know, it's tricky. But this one here, it's got a little mechanism
That does
on
look
it.
easier.
It cuts it, boom. All right, now what I did was, I went ahead and preheated the oven just a little bit, just to get it warm. This increases the proofing process and makes it rise a lot quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. It's off, remember, turn it off. You don't want it too hot because you'll kind of kill the dough. Then we're gonna come back in about an hour. Oh, this is our new addition to the family here. Meet Luigi. Ain't he cute? He's a little rescue. We call him Louie. Right, Ma? He's a good dog. All right, we're gonna come back in about an hour and then we're gonna stretch out that dough. You're gonna see how easy it is to stretch out, after an hour. All right, we'll be back. All right, it's been about an hour now. We're gonna go ahead and pull out this dough. And look at that. Nice and risen. And bring it over here. Move the plastic, of course. And we're gonna go ahead and gently spread this out. Oh, it's nice and airy. Perfect.
That's beautiful. Those hands make such great massagers.
They do, huh? You know, honey.
I do.
All right. It's a two-step process. I mean, you don't want to rush this pizza. You want that crust to be crunchy on the bottom and airy on the inside. Nice and light. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and let this rise for about another hour. And then we're going to go ahead and come back and finish off this crust here. But meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and start the ground beef for this pizza.
Look, Louis wants a bite.
All right. All right, we'll be back in an hour. All right, let's start our ground beef over here. My pan all heated up. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan here. I'm gonna go ahead and put half a cup of chopped onion. Let that cook up a bit. I got a bay leaf here. Just one in there. Don't forget to pull that out. I just want to make the onions translucent. About 2 minutes. Let it cook up. All right. Oh, check this out over here. I got this from a friend of ours, actually a friend of my wife's. She's known her for decades out in Wilburton, Oklahoma. Her name is Tina Slater, and I want to thank her very much for this poster. This is the original bread poster from the first Subway that went into their town. All right. Onions are nice and translucent. Now we're going to go ahead and add about 1.5 pounds of ground beef.
When you take out the beef.
Okay. And about a tablespoon of salt. Crack some pepper on here. There you go. We're going to cook this till it gets nice and brown. All right, ground beef is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pull out this bay leaf before I forget. And now we're going to go ahead and drain this, get all the excess oil out of it, although this is pretty lean meat. Chef Dom is here. We're going to get started. We're going to go ahead and put about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add some onion, about 1/2 cup. I got 4 cloves of chopped garlic here. All right, let that cook up. All right, okay, add a little bit of teaspoon of salt, some cracked pepper.
There's that famous cracked pepper mill that's not working again.
It works.
Where is it?
All right.
Oh, man.
So I'm going to add our tomato. I went ahead and I got some San Marzano whole pear tomato, and I went ahead and blended it up in the blender. All right.
Smells good already.
Fresh basil, about 8 leaves. We're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. And we're going to add the cream and the Parmesan cheese.
Yum.
All right, sauce has been cooking for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add about a pint of whipping cream, fresh whipping cream. Beautiful tomato cream sauce right here. Now we're gonna have to let this cook down a bit. So we're gonna let it cook for about another 10 minutes. And then we will be back. Okay. All right, the cream sauce has been cooking for about 10 minutes now.
Looks good.
Now I want to go ahead and add the hamburger right to this cream sauce.
Throw it all in there.
All right.
Come on, man. Make a nice thick pizza.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right. Now we're going to add a cup of Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
Now we'll turn off the heat. And the sauce is ready to go.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's put this pizza together. We had this dough rising for an extra hour. Now I'm just going to go ahead and form the crust. Press it gently around the rim. Now we're going to go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese, whole milk mozzarella.
Yep.
Now we're going to add the tomato cream sauce with the beef.
Looks good.
This is gonna be really good.
Cookies.
All right, we're going to cook it just like this on 450. Put it on the center rack about 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. We'll be back. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's get this out of the oven here.
Oh, yes. Let's eat it just like
Oh, man. Not ready yet. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and finish this baby off. I put some more meat sauce on top, tomato cream sauce. Spread that out nice and evenly.
How many layers you putting on it?
Just 2 layers. I'm going to go ahead and put some mozzarella. All right, I'm gonna put a nice amount of Parmesan on there. Beautiful. Now we put the lasagna noodles on. It's only these are pre-cooked lasagna noodles. Cover up the whole surface there. Only need 6 noodles. These were the Del Checo noodles. They're a little shorter, but they're wider. I like Del Checo. All right, now some more sauce.
What about ricotta?
Yeah, now that goes right on top. Ricotta. You don't put too much ricotta, it gets too burny. Oh, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna put some more mozzarella. Finish that off. Some more Parmesan. Now we put a little bit of the ricotta. Whole milk ricotta cheese here. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Looks good.
I'll have the measurements all on the description of the channel. You can make this puppy at home. All right, now we're gonna put it in the oven for about another 10 or 15 minutes. We'll be ready to eat. Oh, this sucker's heavy. Ooh, it's about 10 pounds this sucker. All right, all right, it's been 15 minutes. Pizza is perfectly cooked.
Let's check it out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, baby.
Let's eat.
That's a lasagna pizza right there. All right, we're going to go ahead and top it off with a little fresh Italian parsley.
That looks good.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. All right.
All right, let's eat.
I'm gonna put it. You want a side or you want a corner?
End piece for Mom.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There you go, Mama.
Give me this end piece right here, man.
Okay.
You like the end too?
Yeah, plus it's the biggest piece in there.
I might need a fork.
I'm gonna try it. I'll try the side.
Wow.
Oh, man. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to eat this with a fork and a knife. It's too hot.
No, just for a couple of bites and then.
All right. How is it?
Good.
Very good.
I usually don't eat pizza with a fork and knife.
You
But
have to.
I have to.
This has got lasagna noodles in it. Very good.
Hot.
Wow. This came out really good.
Yeah.
Lasagna pizza. Look at that.
Nice ground beef and
Beautiful bottom. Nicely cooked. Nice and crispy.
very good. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna dig into this lasagna pizza here.
Want some? Come on.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers.
Unbelievable.
And we'll see you guys next time.
See you next week.